So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important job opportunity for 2025 as well as 2026 pass out batch. So first important opportunity from the Mount Blue, they are hiring for SDE, that is software development engineer, and this is a entry level position. So job location is Bengaluru and CTC is 4.2 LPA. So you can go through the all things. Now talking about the roles and responsibilities. So you will be responsible in team to develop, compile and debug and deploy the software. Next, ensure close to 100% timely and defect-free applications, and this is the qualification. You should have some familiarity with JavaScript, Java, PHP, or Python. Okay, and you should have good analytical and problem-solving skill. So you should apply for this. This is one of the great opportunity from the Mount Blue, and I've already provided update for this job in the previous some days. So hiring is still open, so must apply for this. Next, hiring for the Flutter intern and MERN stack intern. So if you are interested in these tech stack, then you should apply for this internship. And this is the things: basic knowledge of Dart and Flutter, UI development and API integration. And for MERN stack developer, you should have a knowledge of MongoDB, Express, React and Node.js. So if you are interested, you can send your resume to this WhatsApp number. Coming to next important hiring from the Capgemini, they are hiring Capgemini XLR network engineer Gurgaon off campus drive. Okay, so this is OO1, and last date to register is Feb 26 8 Feb 2026. Okay, so apply within this time frame, and CTC is 4 lakh per annum, and you will get 25k one time incentive too, that is a joining bonus. So this position is for Gurgaon location only. So if you are comfortable with that, then only you should apply. Okay, and as part of diversity and inclusive effort, we are particularly encouraging applicant from female candidate for this position. Remember, this hiring is open for both male as well as female, but they are giving priority to female. Means they are encouraging, but they haven't clearly mentioned that this is only female drive. Okay, but they are encouraging female, क्योंकि female को number of candidates को ज़्यादा hire करते हैं. But if you are male, you should also apply for this. I will provide all the job link in the description. You can go through it. Okay, and these are the education criteria, that is the BTech, BE, CSIT and circuit branches only, and MCA students are eligible. Experience freshers and 2025 pass out only. Okay, means for 2026 currently not hiring has been announced for the from the Capgemini. Just Deloitte ने अभी तक किया. जैसे ही कुछ update आएगा, I will provide all that things too. But for the internship and other things I have already provided, you should apply for all that. Next important from the Microsoft, they are hiring software engineer, and job location is multiple locations, and you will work 3 day in office. Okay, and less than 20% 25% travel. So this is freshers positions. So if you are interested, you can apply for this, and these are the qualifications. Okay, and next important things, though they have mentioned the 2+ year of experience, but still, means if you have worked on some things, then it is a good approach. Okay, particularly in AI. And for getting such important job that you can go through our various video. Currently Bipro's impact EY hiring has been announced, so I've already made a video related to that. Next important for software development internship, and this is hybrid internship. Okay, so strategy.ai is announcing, and undergraduate postgraduate engineering students are eligible. So role will be Python backend engineer intern. So you will join as intern, and strong chance of conversion to PPO. You can go through the complete job and descriptions. Okay, and deadline for this job is 5th of Feb. So this is 3-month internship and stipend based internship. So you should apply, because this will absolutely means boost your resume. Next important hiring for the data analytics executive, Bharat Pay is hiring, and job location is Varanasi. This is also freshers eligible for this, so you should apply for this, and you can go through detailed job and responsibility from the link which I will provide you. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask here, comment here. I will be very happy to help you. And friend, make sure to keep applying. Don't just depend on your college. Okay. So और जैसे ही कुछ important update आएगा job, I will provide as soon as in this YouTube channel. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.